Imagine your teacher gives you 50 test scores all jumbled up. How can you make sense of them quickly? Today we organize data using frequency tables. Frequency means how many times something happens. A frequency table organizes data by counting how often each value appears. It turns chaos into clear information. First, we collect data. We can use questionnaires, direct observation, or measurements, like counting how many oranges each trader sells in the market today. A frequency table has 3 columns. The value column lists each different number. The tally column uses marks to count. The frequency column shows the total count. Example 1. 10 students reported their family size. 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 5, 3, 4, 2. Let's organize this into a frequency table, step by step. Count each value with tallies. 2 appears 4 times, 3 appears 3 times, 4 appears twice, 5 once. Total frequency equals 10, matching our data. Example 2. 12 students scored these marks out of 10. Let's build a frequency table to see which scores were most common in the class. Score 7, 4 students. Score 8, 4 students. Score 9, 3. Score 10 to 1. 7 and 8 tie as the most frequent scores. Common mistake. Many students miscount tallies. Remember, 4 vertical lines equal 4, not 5. The 5th tally crosses through the 4 like a gate. Remember the 4 C's: collect, tally, count. Check the sum equals your total data. Frequency tables turn messy numbers into clear stories. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to master mathematics and ace your exams. See you in the next video.